Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make crochet face scrubbies that are cute, functional and eco-friendly. Let's get started on this fun and sustainable project together. I'm using here this sugar and cream 100% cotton yarn, 4mm crochet hook, yarn needle, scissors. Here we're gonna start with the magic ring. So we wrap the yarn around our finger like this, and then we insert our hook just like this, yarn over and pull through. Now we're going to chain 3, and this chain 3 counts as double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now we're going to make 12 double crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to repeat that around until we have 12. And now we're going to close the ring. Now we're going to slip a stitch in the third chain from the beginning chain 3 to join. Now we're going to start the second row, and we are going to chain 3, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 1, 2, 3 loops in our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2, and we're not going to finish this stitch. We're going to go ahead and yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops in your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2. We don't finish the stitch, same thing. Now we have 1, 2, 3 loops in our hook, and we're going to repeat the same one more time. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. And if you see, I pull the loops up a little bit, and now I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops in the hook. I'm gonna yarn over and pull through all the loops. Now I just finished the puff stitch. I'm gonna just close that with a yarn over and slip a stitch right there. And I'm gonna continue with the same stitch or puff stitch around in each stitch. So let's go ahead and do the next one. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull up the loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And now let's do it again. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull up the loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 1, 2, 3 loops in your hook, and we're going to do that one more time. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull up that loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops in our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all the loops. And here we're going to yarn over and slip a stitch to close that puff. And we're going to repeat the same stitch or puff stitch around in each chain around. So I'll meet you guys right at the end. I'm going to slip a stitch right on the top of the puff stitch, the first puff stitch. So I insert my hook right there and I join. I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the last round where I'm gonna make these arcs or petals that is gonna make it look like a flower. for that, I'm gonna make chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and I'm just gonna go to the next stitch right here. I'm gonna yarn over, insert my hook right there, yarn over, pull through. I'm gonna yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and I'm just gonna repeat that. I'm gonna yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now I'm gonna yarn over and pull through these 3 loops, and now I'm gonna slip a stitch in the next stitch to close this. So I'm gonna insert my hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through again. So there you have the first petal, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the second petal. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna yarn over, insert my hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. I'm gonna yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I'm gonna repeat the same thing, yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now I'm gonna yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Now I'm gonna insert my hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through again. And there you have the second petal. Now you're gonna continue around until the end, and I meet you guys right at the end. So guys, I got to the end of the round, and I'm just gonna go ahead and slip stitch right in the first stitch where I just started the chain 3. Just gonna insert my hook right there and slip a stitch. Or here you could use a yarn needle and do an invisible join. So I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm gonna fasten off. And here I'm just gonna pull up that loop, and with a yarn needle I'm going to do the invisible join. I'm gonna insert my hook right in the very first stitch under both loops, and now you're gonna insert the yarn needle right on top where the V is, right here. You insert front to back, now just pull a little bit, and there you have it. What you have to do now is just weave in the ends, and you make sure you secure the yarn 1, 2, 3 times back and forth. And there you have your flower face scrubby. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys enjoy this project, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!